How a 17-year-old girl made 2 million naira using her smartphone. Take a look at this. This is Sinelo Umba. She said, God did it again. 2 million done. 17 years is beginning to be my best year so far. God is good, honestly. Can you see that? Look at the screenshot below. 2 million naira that this 17-year-old girl made using her smartphone. The question is, how did she do it? Before I tell you how she did it, I want to show you another 17-year-old girl who also made over 900,000 naira. So take a look at this. This is Jessica. Jessica said, wow, 900k done and dusted. Finally in 2 months. Jessica made 900,000 in 2 months, turning me into a millionaire at 17. My point is this. It doesn't matter your age. These people are just teenagers, 17 years, who are making money using their smartphone. As a matter of fact, I have people who are 16. I have people who are even over 50 years. It doesn't matter your age. As long as you have a smartphone and internet connection, you can make money for yourself. This is about a simple business model that is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has to do with you promoting people's product using your smartphone, and as you're selling this product, you are making money for yourself. Personally, I have made over 27 million naira in this business and traveled to 2 countries. Take a look at this. This is 5.4 million naira. This is 5.8 million naira, and this is over 17.3 million naira. My name is Emmanuel Uzochukwu. In my next video, I'll be talking about how this business works. I'll be talking about how you can get started. I'll also talk about how you can sign up with different platforms and make money for yourself, how you can succeed in this business, and how to sign up with different affiliate marketing platforms and how to make a lot of money for yourself. As a matter of fact, even as a beginner, I'll be showing you how to make your first 300,000 naira in the next 30 days. At the end of this series of videos, I'll be hosting a free training for my followers to hold them by the hands to make sure that everyone make at least 300,000 naira in the next 30 days. First of all, if you want to see this series of videos, make sure you click on the plus sign right now to follow this page so that you can see the videos. Have you done that? So if you want to be a part of the free training I'll be hosting for my followers, make sure you follow every video I am going to be dropping. And don't forget, click on the follow button so you can see my next video. When you're done with that, drop a comment done. Comment done. All right. When you're done with these 2 things, you are good to go. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.